passenger, if I mispronouncing
Oh,
your name.
I wasn't also. No, go back to the store. Dude, don't do this right now. It's so hot. Nose? Nose? Hey. What flight are we going on? The 10:50 a.m. flight?
Yes.
Yeah, it's available.
Yeah.
Nah.
Set up.
Is the Long Beach flight wide open?
Why?
Because.
Open.
And how much is it?
$290.
Oh, love it. Look at how it happens when we think about life.
Yati. Uy.
Jalan.
Ayaw tama?
Jalan.
Nose?
Nose?
Mama? This guy's even not sweet. Are you doing hi? Mom, Mexico. TikTok. Oh. Excuse me. Oh shoot. So does that include our infant? Oh, okay. With your fam. Does she want the blanket? Let's go ahead then.
Yourself and others from risk of infection. Continue to keep a safe distance of 5 feet.
Yes. No. You're gonna keep dropping it. Okay, here. Don't drop it. Leilani. Peekaboo. Oh, I want Toblerone. Why is it so cute? Kasi din. What's that chocolate? Oh my god. Go. No, go back to the store. Okay, Ma, go inside. I did. Just right. Chocolate. Eat it. All. Go to sleep. I'm jumping in the pool. Me too. Mama? Dude, don't do this right now. It's so hot. Oh my god. Salog na barasa. Wow! Hindi na mo naman. Freedom! Papa, minum pa ba? Musi. Why would you do that to her?
No, I want her to know what she wants. But she gets when she wants something that I'm telling her not to do.
Hi! Come. Oh my god, travel. Let's go upstairs. Come on.
It's nice, eh? What? Ow! The baby's sleeping. I got 2 bears in here. Shut your ass up and get out. There's the 3rd bear's out here.
You should not wear baby blue.
Shh. Beat your ass.
Somebody come and pick us up. Good morning, everyone. We're on our way to the supermarket to buy some groceries. What? Before. Okay, let's take a look. It's really after it is 6 p.m. We're gonna go out to dinner. It's the outfit. I changed 3 times.
Sit down. Another.
Baby, you set my soul on fire every morning and every evening. Ooh. And maybe we can
First bite. That's a lie.
discover what we're hiding. Making you move it so looks good.
Oh my god, this is so good.
Playing it cool like you know you should. Gonna smile at
I know you guys are not gonna have a conversation up in here.
Relax, CANCUN.